want to achieve our financial goals, but sometimes we're not sure how to reach them. We are here to help put you on the path to financial success so you can get where you want to be. Our holistic approach gives you a better look into your finances so you can invest, save, and pay down debt intelligently. We help you plan for retirement, save for college, review your portfolio, optimize your Social Security and tax strategies, and much more. Our cutting-edge technology allows you to log in and view your updated financial information whenever you want, with all your accounts in one place. Monitor your progress so you can feel more confident about your financial future and focus on what's important in your life. Don't wait. Reach out and change your financial future today.